Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video I am going to tell you how you can screen mirror iPhone to Android. So let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is open Play Store in your Android and search AirScreen. After this, download this AS AirScreen app. After downloading it, open the app and place it near the iPhone. Now the next thing you have to do is open control panel and tap on screen mirror option in iPhone. Now screen mirror is connected with the Android. Now you only have to tap on bigger screen on Android and it will convert it to the full screen of the mobile. Here you can see iPhone is completely mirrored to the Android mobile, and you can use whatever on iPhone, it will also mirror to the Android as well. So by this way you can easily mirror iPhone to Android. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.